A few days ago, I've transferred the equivalent of $200 on my phone, and I have only one goal, having $500 in dividends passively each month from the $200 invested on my phone. And I promise, I won't try to sell you anything, and nothing is sponsored. It is just you and me. Each time I will invest in front of you, showing you which stocks I buy, why I buy them, and how I adapt to the markets. And above all, this will let you invest at the same time as I do. Hi, Jared here, and today let's invest in the stock market and let's dive into it. We started this challenge with $200 and I decided to divide it into 5 for the 5 stocks I will buy today. So $40 a stock, and I think that's a pretty good start. We never know if the economy will enter in a recession or not, but who cares? I don't, because investing is not about timing the market, it's about time in the markets. The stock market always goes down, then up, then down, then up again. It's basically a cycle or a pattern. So today, I have chosen companies that perform well in both bear and bull markets. And by the way, if you're interested, I've made a video about what is the stock market, what is investing, how to understand a company, and a few examples in it. And I have good news for you, because these stocks have been paying dividends continuously for decades, including one company that has paying them for more than 50 years. And things are about to get serious, because it is now time to invest. And first, let's talk about the company in which Jeff Bezos himself got his first job. It has existed since the creation of the world, went through many recessions and periods when the economy was not at its best. Of course, I am talking about McDonald's. McDonald's has paid out dividends continuously for more than 33 years now, with a dividend yield of 2.19% today. Its annual net income for 2021 increased by about 60% from 2020. It has successfully survived the COVID-19 and had one major asset that people do not expect. It's real estate. Great, McDonald's sells lots of burgers, right, but it has lots of locations around the world, including Paris, London, New York, and anywhere else you could think about. And this is what McDonald's Force is all about. So, first company we said, McDonald's. Let's type here McDonald's. So obviously I cannot buy one share of McDonald's because it's actually $260 around, and I only have $40 to invest in it. So I will invest in a savings plan, which is like investing in a fraction of the price of the company, which is fine, basically. Middle of the month, so in around 9 to 10 days, 40 euros, so $40 in McDonald's. Yep. Perfect! The second company delivered strong double-digit growth in 2021. It has paid dividends continuously for over 33 years, and despite the crisis, experts consider its dividend to be safe, which means it will not be cut. It has a dividend yield of 0.58%, which is clearly not the best, but still is far more than enough. Apple's annual net income for 2021 increased by 64% from 2020, even better than McDonald's. It has a P ratio of 26, which is pretty average. The price to earnings ratio is used to determine the value of a company, and basically between 20 to 30 is good, and the lower the better. And on top of that, the company might be about to unveil its new iPhone lineup with a notchless design along with bigger Apple watches. Okay, so second company, I said Apple. And fun fact, this was the first company I've invested in it when I was 17. Pretty good investment. Monthly, still fraction of the price of the company. Here we go. Let's continue with the company founded 136 years ago, which is involved in the sale, production, research, and development of healthcare products. It operates through 3 main segments: consumer health, pharmaceutical, and medical care. And I am talking about the American company Johnson & Johnson, which has paid out dividends continuously for more than 50 years, which is incredible for a current dividend yield of 2.77%. The company has bigger advantages and is so strong that it survived dozens of recessions, stock market crashes, and so on. Okay, now third company, Johnson & Johnson. And I don't have any fun fact about it, sorry. $40, yes, Thank you. Perfect. The fourth company sells products everyone uses every single day. It's been founded 184 years ago by William Procter and James Gamble. You get it. I am talking about Procter & Gamble. Perhaps you don't know the company by name, but rather by its products. The company has several well-known and iconic brand names, from laundry detergents and cleansers to grooming and beauty products, like Head & Shoulders, Always, Oral-B and Gillette, which are present everywhere in the world. And even better good news, the company has paid out dividends continuously for more than 50 years. Now, Procter & Gamble, so... still $40, 40 euros. Yep, thank you. There we go. The company is in the energy sector, and if you own a car, you've probably been there to spend half of your income last month. It was founded 142 years ago and is still relevant today. I am talking about Chevron. The company has been paying out dividends continuously for more than 43 years now and has consistently increased them for a current dividend yield of 3.54%. Despite the 2020 pandemic and many lockdowns affecting gas and oil sales and prices, the company still shows strong net income and earnings per share. You might want to choose ExxonMobil, BP, Shell or even Total Energies, which also have good dividends and still profit from the oil and gas crisis currently, but I found out that Chevron performed better than others in the past 5 years and it recovered faster and better right after the COVID outbreak. And fifth and last company, Chevron. €40. Yep, thank you. And that's it. Do not hesitate to tell me which stocks you would buy and why during a period of economic instability or recession, because I might be able to choose them for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment down below, subscribe if you want to follow this new series with me, and I will see you in the next one.